am. You guys, look what came in the mail. My Clare box. I'm so excited. I am about to open it for the first time and get started on this project. Y'all seen the colors already. So I love that this box is bright yellow. I was so surprised when I got it. Okay, I think this is like Christmas. So it came with the paint and a set of tools for painting. Come closer. Come closer and take a look. Oh yes, yes. See? Oh. Okay, so we got some mixing sticks. Stir things up. And then we got like a paint opener. Yeah, so this is just a toolkit to pour the paint on, a Clare brush, and then a rolling kit. That's really neat. Thanks, Clare. Yo, I am so excited to get this project on the roll. And then we have, of course, the paint. All right, so picked up my 4 colors. Got gallon sizes. Let me just pull out one for now. What color is this? Hold on, wait, because I don't. Okay, here we go. This is the color Lemonade. It is screwed down. I'm not about to open it right now. We're going to see that in the clip, so stay tuned. At Home Depot. I don't know if Drina wants to be on camera. To pick up a couple things before we get this project started. I need tape. I need outlet covers. I need quick patch for the wall. And I said I'm gonna get one more rolling pin for the paint so I could be both handed. I mean, you know. But yeah, let's get it in on Scott. Bob the Builder in this bitch. I am spackling nail holes that I did not put in this wall. However, we want a professional finish. It goes on pink and then dries white. Okay, we're gonna let that and then carry it and move on to the next one. This is where I put some spackle on. And then I just take some sandpaper to smooth it out. See the difference that quickly. Now we are all boarded up everywhere. This is what my room looks like, and it's time to get started. Yay! I'm going to take my 2-angle brush. Can you guys see that? It also came in the kit. And we're going to go ahead and get started trimming out the borders. I already went ahead and taped everything up. Feeling like Picasso, nayecole, Picasso. You get it? At any rate. Let's go. It's so pretty. I'm about to knock this thing out.
A few inches later.
What? My arms. I have but a section of the wall. Lord, send help. It's time to get started. Oh, excuse me, I was choking. Today is day dose of painting. Yes, I have on the same clothes. These are my official painting clothes. So about this wall, one coat. That's all I had in me yesterday. One coat. I did a lot of running around yesterday, which I think definitely depleted my energy. So today's goal is to paint this wall and this wall. And if I have the energy, the strength to start on trimming this wall, I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to start off by trimming this wall and this wall. And once I trim both of them, then we're gonna knock out the roller, and then we're gonna go back and put the second coat on this wall. So that's the goal. That's where my head's at. Let's get started. We are making progress. I mean, it's still one coat on every wall. However, we're moving at a faster pace. Cheat tip, I took it upon myself to attach a broomstick, and let me tell you, game changer. So I'm about to finish putting the first coat on this wall, go grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna put the second coat on this wall behind me, and I'll be done with the first step officially. Yeah, I look crazy. Let's keep working. All right, so I just finished putting my second coat of paint on this wall. I'm so like just get into it. The color Chill, which is on the back wall, it already gives me that like comfy feel. All right, so my bed has been in almost every corner during this process. I am now about to paint this back wall the Goodnight Moon color. This is Goodnight Moon. Y'all, look how pretty this color is. Like, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm really excited. I am first going to start off by lining the walls. Goodnight Moon is an easy favorite. It is so pretty. Okay, about to paint. I've taped off the window seal. I'm gonna keep that white. I might end up putting some sort of like contact paper there just to give it like that feel, but we're not sure yet. So for now, we're just gonna keep it white. Yeah, let the transformation begin. This blue looks so good. I love it. This is Goodnight Moon. You guys, I love this so much. Shout out to Claire's. One thing that I really do love, and I've noticed about their paint, it has a very low odor. So I'm in here, and this is what, my third day painting, and I'm not lightheaded or overwhelmed by fumes or anything. Like, I slept in here the last 2 nights. That's great, because it's like, it helps me to get the project done a lot faster and not have to worry. I'm listening to my gospel. Let's continue. Okay, so I am about to freestyle color block of pink. Is going to be the color pop. Freestyle it with the pencil. So that's what I'm about to do. And then I really want to be done by today. I'm going to color block this wall and that corner over there, and hopefully restore some order back into my room, because it's so necessary. Y'all, look at this color. I haven't even stirred it up yet. This is pop. It is so pretty. It's time to stir it up. Okay. Ooh. Look at it. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Okay, I'm excited. see it? Ignore the noise, I'm on FaceTime. Tutoring my brother at the same time. But y'all see it. I just lined out the triangle for the yellow and I'm about to get started. The lighting is so dark. I just put on the second coat of yellow and I added the second coat of pink. I am stopping for tonight. Tomorrow will be touch-ups in the white trim. We're gonna get into it. See you tomorrow. Okay, it is now Saturday and it's time to peel off all the blue tape. I am going to peel off all the blue tape and then go over any area that looks like it needs a bit of a touch-up with the color Chill. Also, I have some touch-ups I want to do on the wall that is painted Goodnight Moon. And we're about to get started. I'm going to start... Where should I start? I'm going to start right here. We're going to start right here, behind me. Let's go. Okay, let's do the yellow. It's so cute. It's so cute, right? It's so cute. Okay, let's keep going. Okay,